Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Hello, world. Today is a great day to live a conscious life. Would you like to join me? Who am I? I am G.A. Diviner. And today's subject is orgasm. So are you ready to find out more about orgasms from a pendulum perspective? So I got all my information from the pendulum. So that means majority of the answers will be yes and no. And since I got my information from the pendulum, that means I have written the answers down on a piece of paper. So that means I will be reading to you. So are you ready? Let's get it. All right, my loved ones. Let's go to the first one. Is it best to have an orgasm than to have sex? The answer is yes. Are there different types of orgasm a man and woman can have? There is only one type of orgasm, my loved ones. If you would like to have an orgasm, I suggest to go into nature, my loved ones. Strip down, naked. Strip all your clothes down. Ground your feet and hands in nature and begin to have an orgasm, my loved ones. You heard that? And for the extra ones, asterisk right here, if you would like to boost your orgasm, meditate. Meditation would help you to concentrate and focus on having an orgasm, my loved ones. I'm recording, baby. You want me to record? I don't have no more gum, baby. I'm sorry. You want some candy?
Candy.
Go get the candy, baby. Go get the candy. There we go. Is it necessary to touch yourself? The answer is yes, my loved ones. Touch places on your body such as feet, thighs, stomach area, breast area, but not the nipples. Don't touch the nipples. And this applied to men and women. Is it best for someone to have an orgasm every day? The answer is yes. No more candy? Go get the candy. Go get the candy, baby. Please. Is it best to have an orgasm than to ejaculate? The answer is yes. Is it best to have an orgasm than to masturbate? The answer is yes. What's wrong, pretty baby? Let me finish what I started. Is an orgasm healthy for the body? The answer is no. However, orgasms are healthy for the spirit, my loved ones. I know we all heard that loud and clear. Yes, we did. So, my loved ones, Go out into nature and begin to practice having an orgasm. All right? I have experienced for myself, my loved ones, an orgasm out into nature. And you wouldn't believe how many orgasms I had. I had over 100 orgasms, my loved ones. It was the most amazing experience I had experienced, my loved ones. So, that's why I'm sharing this information, and I want others to go out into nature. Even though majority of the United States is in a cold front, but whenever you guys can get out into nature when it's warm, like it is in South Florida, to experience what I had experienced, please go out. And I know you're going to come back at me and say, I thank you, Diviner, and you are welcome. So I thank you for taking out the time to listen to what I have to say today. And I had to talk about orgasms. Can a man and woman receive an orgasm? Can a man and woman have multiple orgasms? Yes, they can. So I thank you for tuning in. And I thank you for listening. Loved ones, thank you for your love. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always being by my side when I needed you the most. I could have not been doing this without your help, without your support, without your love, without you being by my side. So I thank you. And for the ones who want to start helping me, you can, baby. Just jump on the bandwagon, and I would accept anything small or big, as long as it's coming from the abundance of your heart, baby. That's all that matters. So I thank you for your love. I thank you for your support. I thank you for your help. And I thank you for your donations. Loved ones, Diviner is also a writer. So check me out on Facebook. My page is listed as Diviner. Go there. Read. Watch other videos. Comment. Share. Like. Do all those amazing things there at Facebook. My page is listed as Diviner. Loved ones, you know, if you need anything, if you need any type of help, if you are stuck in the rut and you feel like there's nobody out there in cyberspace want to help you, want to lift you up, want to pick you up, want to reach out and grab your hand, loved ones, Diviner would love to reach out and help you. But just make sure that you send it in an email. Alright, my loved ones, send your problems, your burdens, whatever you're going through, whatever type of difficulties that you are going through in life. Make sure you send it in an email, my loved ones. You hear me? I will respond. I will get back at you. And I will help you to get your life right, to get your shit back together. You heard me? Loved ones, be safe out on the streets, because you know it is crazy out there. Be safe. Take care.